The recent growth in the popularity in modular flip-up helmets is a clear indication of the market's demand to combine the convenience of an open-face helmet with the comfortable, secure feeling of a full-faced helmet. When Shoei set out to design the Multitech, they didn't only want to meet their customers' expectations. They wanted to blow every preconceived notion of modular helmets riders may have had away. The Shoei Multitech represents the state-of-the-art in modular flip-up helmet design and technology and offers the rider a full array of features. Removable cheek pads that are available in a wide selection of widths to fine-tune the fit. Lightweight, advanced integrated matrix aim shell construction. A 100% optically clear three-dimensional CX1V shield system. Preset shield opening lever and locking mechanism to either crack the shield open slightly or lock in closed for racing applications. Integrated breath guard and removable chin curtain. A 3D comfort liner. Adjustable upper vent system to maximize ventilation to the rider's head. Quick release base plate system allowing for tool-free shield replacements. Cheek pad channels for eyeglasses. Shell integrated spoiler that was developed in Shoei's own wind tunnel. Sleek and aerodynamic design combined with strict manufacturing tolerances reduce turbulence and wind noise. 5-year warranty from purchase date, 7-year warranty from helmet manufacturing date, whichever comes first. Like all modular helmets, Shoei's modular helmet is rated to DOT impact standards. The Multitech is available in a wide array of solid, metallic, and matte finishes in sizes double extra small to double extra large.